Beautiful skin requires commitment, not a miracle. Hello everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you are new here, I'm Aishi Gupta and take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. So there's no secrets that most of us wants healthy and clear skin. So the truth is, the people with gorgeous skin, they aren't just lucky, they worked at it. As a beautiful saying, beautiful skin requires commitment, not a miracle. So here's a 10 natural skincare tips that gives you flawless skin that you are craving for. No matter what your skin type is and what the season is.
They cleanse before going to bed.
They never go to bed without washing their face. Even if you are super tired, wash your face before going to the bed. Your skin will definitely thank you later. Trust me.
They always hydrate their skin.
Maintain a routine of drinking at least 8 cups of water daily. Even if they are busy at work, they carry a bottle with them. So drink up for gorgeous, flak-free, hydrated and beautiful skin.
Workout is their super strength.
Get rid of poison and their fitness and have a good night's sleep. And therefore, a beautiful, gorgeous and soft skin.
They exfoliate twice a week.
Oh, I always try it, but I always do at least once a week. But you have to do at least twice a week. So you have to get rid of dull, dry skin and have a gorgeous skin. Use either natural ingredients or as well as you can buy them, but it can lead to smooth and shiny and soft skin.
They use face mask every week.
This one is my favorite. I love to use face mask, and you can use once a week and get clean, clear and soft, smooth and have a words to tell you, but it's really work for you guys.
They avoid junk food.
The key to good skin and hair lies in the food choices that we make. From the day you cut back on eating junk, you will find your skin looks and feel much better.
Change their pillowcase every 3 days.
Do your best to wash your pillowcase. A fresh pillowcase is the key to prevent breakouts.
Applying sunscreen is must.
Never forget sunscreen. Even if you are running in the sun and running into the malls and work each day, whatever it is, don't ever forget sunscreen.
They use antioxidant serum.
If you layer an antioxidant serum that contains vitamin C and E, that really can help you repair your damage.
Know the value of skincare routine.
No matter how tired and crazy you are feeling, make sure you take care of your basics. And one thing, you can't have a perfect skin 365 days and all. It's a myth. Yeah, trust me, love your skin. And if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe. Yeah, stay happy, stay glam. See you in the next video. Bye. Love your skin.